Let's ask to show the failed job runs. Note that the UI filter is automatically adjusted to show the status abandoned. Now let's get the job report for the failed job. In the background, we're calling the Automic MCP server to pull the log, and then the LLM analyzes it, indicating we tried executing an unknown command, which is why this job failed. We can also ask for more details, again leveraging the Automic MCP server to provide details for this particular job. And I can continue asking follow-up questions, such as showing what another operator has added as comments to this job run. So this job appears to have been fixed in the meantime. Let's try to open this job and see if that's really the case. The Intelligent Assistant can also control the UI and will open a new browser window displaying the job properties. We assume it all checks out, so let's switch back to the Assistant and restart the parent workflow. The Assistant understands which tool exposed by our MCP server to invoke and restarts the workflow. So this all works using the Intelligent Assistant that lives inside the Automic UI. But the great thing about having an MCP server is that it enables our customers to easily build external agents that interact with Automic via the tools we expose. Think about conversing with an Automic agent via an enterprise collaboration platform such as Slack or Teams. So here we are using the Google Agent Development Kit to demonstrate the same type of conversation, but now from an external agent. And here, when I ask to display failed jobs, you can actually see which tools the agent calls to interact with the Automic MCP server. And I can ask similar follow-up questions, where the agent will leverage different tools, etc. The Automic MCP server exposes a standard and secure way to connect LLMs and agents, opening up a whole range of new use cases. In helping automation operations diagnose and troubleshoot, enabling agentic experiences that can be plugged into enterprise collaboration platforms, exposing new ways of interaction designed to reduce MTTR and deliver better service.